Hello my fellow T-birders. Today this video is about the emergency brake pedal assembly for a 64 to 66 Thunderbird. I went ahead and put a new vacuum canister on it. These are the ones that are available. Here's the part number. I got this from Bird's Nest. You can get them from anywhere, T-bird dealers. Anyway, one of the things that I noticed about these is that when they only have one spring, like originally, when they only have one spring, they don't return very well. So if you push the brake and then a vacuum is applied to the vacuum motor, and you can see it doesn't return well. And then it starts to work its way back, so it's sluggish with one spring. So what I do is I install two springs, as you can see. And with the two springs, it returns quickly. And I just drilled a couple holes. You can see the top hole there and the top hole there. And I had these springs made when I had my shop. And I put two springs on. They're just like the original spring. Here's the original spring. Okay, just a hint if you guys want it to work properly. Good luck. Thank you.